Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by offloading thoughts so your mind can quit rehearsing them. First, set a 10-minute timer and write a quick worry list. This gives your brain permission to pause. Once done, sit up and do 4-4-6 breathing for 3 cycles to slow heart rate and shift focus. Make sure lights are dimmed and screens off. Reduced stimulation helps your circadian signals. These immediate actions change your physiology and create space for calmer thinking as you move into the next steps. You now reframe and relax to interrupt rumination. Start by naming thoughts. Say silently thinking when a worry arises. This distances you from automatic belief and weakens its urgency. Next, tell yourself there is a scheduled 15-minute worry window tomorrow, which reduces the need to solve everything now. Then perform progressive muscle relaxation from toes to jaw, tensing and releasing each group for 5 to 10 seconds to lower bodily tension. Together, these steps shift cognitive habit and bodily arousal towards sleep. You complete the routine with a concise wind-down and contingency plan. Spend 10 minutes on a low-stimulation ritual, light reading, herbal tea, or gentle stretching, so your brain associates these cues with sleep. Make sure the room is cool and dark, and if you lie awake, avoid clock watching. Get up after 20 minutes and do a calm, non-stimulating task until you feel sleepy. If worries persist, use the earlier worry list and add any new items to tomorrow's 15-minute window to contain them and protect tonight's sleep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.